This is CC Cycle 1, Week 4, Scripture Memory from Exodus 20. This is the first part of verse 4. It says, "Do not make an idol for yourself, whether in the shape of anything in the heavens above." And that's where this week is going to stop. So you're going to start with a sign for not, which is a kind of thumbs up hand shape. On your dominant hand, it's going to go under your chin and come out this way. So do not make is to fist, I guess S hand shape, this. Do not make an idol for yourself. So make and then idol, you're going to have two eyes, and you're going to do this motion like you're almost like you're sculpting an image or an idol. So do not make an idol for yourself. The next sign means like whatever, or it doesn't matter, because it's whether in the shape of anything in the heavens. So we're going to say it doesn't matter the kind is basically what we're saying. So flat closed 5 hand shapes, and you're going to go like this back and forth, whether in the shape of, and then K hand shape, anything. They go around each other. I'm moving my dominant hand kind of around my non-dominant hand. And the last word is whether in the shape of anything in the heavens above. So you will take kind of this cupped 5 hand shape, and you will just go up and then make the heavens above you like this. So I'll show you with music.
Below or in the water, whether in the shape of any, do not make an idol for yourself, whether in the shape of anything in the heavens above or on the earth.
Okay, so that's where this week ends, and that is week 4.